वो पानी आता है सर, हनी बारी आपको नाप के देंगे। ये देखो 1 किलो का है।
कितना है?
ये हनी का सिलसिला है ना।
कितना होगा?
जितने पड़ेंगे और
This is the organic honey, which we got it from Triple S. It costs only 350. It's half kg. So I'll share with my friend also. I think it's going to be interesting because you hardly get organic honey in Delhi. A very good medicine also whenever we have some problem with throat, cough and so on and so forth. So guys, this is only 350 rupees. So tu karungap ka bangi imentan kadai hang ni ha campus jongi hi kaba idai bayo nang ni na jan kangap kaba long original bhai batat bha tang kumbalai spa ni ka tang ba kadai be kaba long organic kaba empat kle yai kadang hang ni ha yu ni ha campus jongi hi depeng tu kadang teh jrong la yo ban shem no ya ka yu. That's the place where we got the honeybee. That's the honeybee. But now they have got it down there. So that's the honey which I got.